Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to HAFS channel. You're watching health, environment, food safety, fire safety, sustainability solutions. Today we are discussing very informative topic, that is what is the World Ozone Day, what is the ozone effects, what is the every year the celebrating the World Ozone Day celebrations in every year. So what is the ozone depleting substances, how it is affects to that environment and human beings. So what is the exactly background of the World Ozone Day, and what is the Vienna Convention for the protection of the ozone layer, Montreal protocols, so and how the implementation of the Montreal protocols, and so entirely World Ozone Day history. Let us will discuss about that, how to celebrate that World Ozone Day also. So Ozone Day is, we observed World Ozone Day on September 16th in every year. It is important to remember the delicate balance in our atmosphere. So in this year, the slogan of the World Ozone Day is Ozone for Life. So the World Ozone Day 2020 slogan is that Ozone for Life. So World Ozone Day is a life on our planet, as no would not be possible without the ozone layer. Ozone is the highly reactive gas found in the upper layers of the atmosphere and protects life on the earth from the sun's harsh ultraviolet rays. Ozone protects life, but it can also be harmful is in concentrated quantities near the surface of the earth, as it's produced when air pollutants reach and react in sunlight. So as we observe World Ozone Day on September 16th, it is important to remember the delicate balance in our atmosphere. So this year is that World Ozone Day, is the slogan is Ozone for Life. So in World Ozone Day, why it is that no milestone it's started, I think. So on Ozone Day, so we celebrate 35 years of the Vienna Convention to protect the ozone layer, and its Montreal Protocol, which united the world to cut out gases, creating a hole in the ozone layer. So we need this the same sense of the purpose and collaboration to address all environmental threats. Okay, so that's the reason we have to aware and awake and create the awareness of that ozone facts. So what exactly the ozone facts? So in before that, coming to that, no, so World Ozone Day history. In World Ozone Day was first celebrated that September 16th, 1995. So the Montreal Protocol was signed in that 1987. So the day that we established the importance of the contract happened much later in 1995. The United Nations General Assembly first celebrated the day to bring about global awareness of the need to protect the ozone layer. So the day also celebrated owing to the increased depletion in the ozone layer. So it became a pertinent to find remedies and solution in a fast track manner. So every year large crowds gather at Montreal, and so all every world to celebrate the World Ozone Day. The Montreal Protocol worked on the various issues involved in the global productions activities. So the impact the production has on the ozone layer depletion is immense. Measures to control substances that cause reductions are another primary concern. So in this list elements that depletions chemicals are prima facie culprits, and a whole list of that stating them is a part of the protocol. In the baseline, the Montreal Protocol aims to gradually phase out the useful of harmful chemicals, leading to stage of where there is a total ban of these substances. So what exactly significance of the World Ozone Day? The World Ozone Day serves as an essential reminder to people about the Montreal Protocol. Ordinary people may not know about the existence and significance of the ozone layer. So in stratosphere of Earth's atmosphere, three exists a protective shield called the ozone layer. So this layer is responsible for absorbing and preventing harmful ultraviolet rays from penetrating the Earth's surface. So it is the stratosphere that contains a more considerable amount of ozone layer compared to other segments. So now the Montreal Protocol is again navic topic to most of us. So let us understand why this protocol was signed at all. So with this growth of industrialization and increase in pollution, harmful substances have decreased the quality of air around us. Not just that, they are known that to reduce, in other words, deplete the concentration of the ozone layer. The first ozone depletion was found in the Antarctic region for the great contribution in identifying a significant decrease factor. The concerned scientist was awarded in the Nobel Prize back then. So the science community began questioning that the relevancy of human actions and their detrimental effects on the environment with the implementation of the protocol. However, the good news is around the corner. The earth has started the healing at the rate of 1 to 3% every decade counted since the year 2000. So this brings to the foresights the relevance, necessity and importance of the World Ozone Day. So in 2020 World Ozone Day theme is that several popular themes are suggested in World Ozone Day. The day calls the plenty of awareness around the topic. So cleaning, the learning. So learning subjects both online and offline are generously suggested. So resource-based themes create a comprehensive information base worldwide readers. Environment-friendly issues and natural friendly planet are sure short fire themes that are going to develop more significant awareness across the global. So heal the earth is another popular theme as many organizations and scientific scholars strive for one common concern. So 32 years and healing is an associated theme with the Montreal Protocol. It is the identify and appreciate the efforts taken by international community in cooperating with the international treaty. The world has been remarkable steps underneath the implementation of the protocol. Themes associated with climate change, improvement of the ozone layer, effects of the global warming, so are commonly adopted as part of the day's celebrations. So, in World Ozone Day, how we will celebrate? For our future generations to survive an eco-friendly environment, it's imperative to preserve and sustain the biodiversities. Harming nature is the detrimental to the progress of humankind. The most excellent way to celebrate World Ozone Day to gather massive crowds and give them awareness about that chlorofluorocarbons destroy the ozone layer above education institutions and could bring change in educating the public about the need to preserve the ozone layer and it can be explain the ozone depleting substances CFC and HFCs chlorofluorocarbons hydrofluorocarbons so and how it is impacts to that atmosphere. So short campaigns and special events at schools and you can create the competitions and essay writings activities some of the everyday things to be conducted into your organizations or institutions or any schools or any every areas at in all at that environmental level and you have to your university level and exclusive discussions from the experts and panels eminent speakers could be called into that to spread the word about World Ozone Day. So latest technology, the information could be broadcasted over the internet through social media handles and other similar modes. So cleanup tasks in our neighborhoods and more straightforward ways of celebrating the day and the presentations at companies focused on the ozone layer and you have to create the pledge and you have to signify the popular choice. The public could be educated about the Montreal Protocol through press conference. So you can be create that lot of things should be available in this media. So in these 35 years of the ozone layer protections the ozone for life is So the 35 years of the Vienna Convention and 35 years of the global ozone layer protection, the life on the earth would be not be possible without sunlight. But the energy emanating from the sun would be too much for life on earth to thrive for it, not for the ozone layer. So the stratospheric layer shields earth from most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiations. Sunlight makes life possible, but the ozone layer makes life as we know it possible. So when scientists working in the 1970s discovered that humanity was creating the hole in this protective shield, they raised the alarm. The hole caused by ozone depleting gases (ODS) used in the aerosols and cooling, such as refrigerators and air conditioners, was threatening to increase causes of skin cancer and cataracts and damage plants, crops, and ecosystems. So the global response was decisive. In 1985, the world governments adopted the Vienna Convention for the protection of the ozone layer. So, under the convention monetary protocol, government, scientists, industry worked together to cut out the 99% of the all ozone depleting substances. So, the monetary protocol of the ozone layer is healing and expected to return to pre 1980 values by mid century. So, in support of the protocol, the Kigali Amendment, which came into force in 2019, will work towards the reduce the hydrofluorocarbons, greenhouse gases with powerful climate warming potential and damaging to the environment. World Ozone Day is September 16 celebrates this achievement. It shows that collective decisions and action guided by science are the only way to solve major global crises. So, in this year of the COVID-19 pandemic that has brought social and economic hardship, the ozone treaty's message of working together in harmony and for the collective good is more important than ever. The slogan of the day, Ozone for Life, reminds us that not only the ozone crucial for life on Earth, but that we must continue to protect the ozone layer for future generations. So, so in this, everybody knows that universal ratification and Kigali amendments. Universal ratification is the 16 September 2019. The Vienna Convention and the Monetary Protocol became the first treaties in the history of the United Nations to achieve the universal ratifications. The Kigali Amendment, the parties to the Monetary Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer reached the agreement at their 28th meeting of the parties on 15th October 2016 in Kigali, Rwanda, to pace down the hydrofluorocarbons. So, end of the day, there is that, including that ozone layer protection is awareness is important. This and in our Ministry of in India, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is that create the ozone cells. It's no there is uh, depleting ozone depletion also is there. In ozone depletion is the natural balance between the production and destruction of that stratospheric ozone tripped to favor of destruction. Although natural phenomenon can cause the temporary ozone loss, so in the main effects to that human and animal health, it increase the penetration of the solar UV radiation is likely to have the profound impact on human health with the potential risks on eye diseases, skin cancer and infection disease. UV radiation is known as to damage the cornea and lens of the eye. Chronic exposure of ultraviolet B could lead to cataract of the cortical and posterior subcapsular forms. So UV radiations can adversely affect the immune system, causing a number of infection disease. So in light skinned human populations, it is likely to develop non-melanoma skin cancer. The experiments on animals show that UV exposure decrease the immune response to the skin cancer infection agents and other antigens, and it also affects to the terrestrial plants, and it affects the aquatic ecosystems, and it affects the geochemical cycles, affects the air quality, reduction of the stratosphere ozone and increase the penetration of UV radiation results the higher photo dissociations rates, the key trace gases that control the chemical reactivity of the troposphere. So this can increase that both production and destruction of the ozone and related oxidants such as the hydrogen peroxide, which are known to have the adverse effect of the human health. So it effects of the materials and it international, so that is the reason the international action is taken, that the clearly given that the first international action to focus attention to the dangers of the ozone depletions, the stratosphere and its dangerous consequences in the long run on life. Earth was focused on 1977 when in meeting of the 32 countries in Washington DC, a world plan on action ozone layer with UNEP as the coordinator was adopted. So like that it will be started for that ozone depleting substances, and experts began their investigation data piled 1985, and they will be automatically they will be formed that Vienna on March 1985. So it will came for that the ozone layer under this protocol. The first concrete to step to save the ozone layer was taken by the immediately agreeing the completely pace of the chlorofluorocarbons, halogens and carbon tetrachlorides and methyl chloroform as per the schedule. So this is the major uh, cause of this atmosphere and ozone layer. So in this the world ozone day, the main important conclusion of this, there are a host of the measures we can adopt to preserve the ozone layer: reducing air conditioning pieces of the equipment at home, finding alternatives for refrigerator chlorofluorocarbons, banning aerosols products and propellants are necessary steps to be taken by each one of us. By making use of eco-friendly insulting materials and bags, we can save our planet from further damage. Bubble wraps are one of the best alternative solutions, and they could be used in the right way to prevent harmful chemicals from depleting the ozone layer, and has become immensely important to use policy of reducing, recycle and recover avoid significant imbalances caused in the atmosphere, adding to the harmful substances. Pollution is an added factor to break the delicate balance. So in this whole ozone day, let us all strive hard and teach the public and the younger generation about ozone layer facts. Let us keep our surroundings free from chlorofluorocarbon substances and present a cleaner, brighter, and pollution free environment for tomorrow. So, our small steps and could lead us to a long way of healing and supporting future life process. Thank you. Thanks a lot.